The indifference of the universe. What a joke it is. Only people who overthink care about such nonsense. It is all futile. I say it is not. Why are you all afraid to have fun, to live life? I'm not smart, but I at least know my own heart. And my heart says that if it can have fun, it will. I move because I want to, not because the world wants me out of the way. Indifference and some such cannot move my heart.
It's nobody can tell me. I don't wanna talk on no celly. You know I got lane with barriers. There's no accent you can sell me. Yeah, Cole and Ivory know I'm a selfish nigga. The crown is heavy. I pray they my real friends. If not, Hawaii and W Nelly.
All of my friends are dead. Leave them in the cold, put them in the tundra. I go rage hard. Second I see her, I think I'm fumble. I was just
If the lion is the king of the jungle, how can he be the king of the
bust down wedges on me, I know my blinking.